Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting your site with a quick backup, then turn on WP Debug and WP Debug log so you can see the underlying error. Once done, clear all caches, browser, CDN, and server, because stale files hide fixes. Next, confirm PHP version meets Elementor requirements and increase memory limit to at least 256 MB if low. These actions reveal the problem and remove common blocking layers, so you can move to conflict diagnosis with accurate logs and a stable environment. You now isolate conflicts, deactivate every plugin except Elementor and Elementor Pro, then try loading the editor and enabling safe mode. If it works, reactivate plugins one by one to find the culprit. If not, switch to a default theme to eliminate theme-related issues. Simultaneously, review server error log and WP content/debug. Log for PHP fatal errors or uncaught exceptions. Those lines tell you whether memory, permissions, or missing PHP extensions are to blame. Make targeted changes based on. You finish by updating or reinstalling Elementor and Elementor Pro, then verify file and folder permissions are correct so the plugin can write files. Increase PHP limits, memory limit, max execution time, post max size, then regenerate CSS/JS files from Elementor's tools. Once done, test safe mode again. If problems persist, enable WP Debug log and send the debug log excerpt to your host or plugin support. That single log file usually reveals the hidden error source and speeds up resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.